Are you ready for a very, very colorful book tonight? This book has got so many brilliant colors. Let me go show you some of them, okay? Come, let's go read our book. Wow, look at the colors. And tonight's book is called Hooray for Birds. Hooray for birds. All the colorful birds. Now let's see. Can you imagine just for one day you are a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Oh, hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up in the sky, and hop, 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 and peck, 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 the woodpecker. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say, hello, darling. Hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Scratch, scratch, scratch. And catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Oh! Say cluck, 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 and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Nice big stretch. Open your beak and sing tra-la-la, tra-la-la. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Hum, hum, hum. And cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. And run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Oh, beautiful. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Oh, then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy, busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Toot, toot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Good night, says the owl. What a busy, busy day in the life of a little bird, hey? Tweet, 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 and woo, woo. Sure, it's time for you to go have a good night's sleep, and I'm sure you've had a busy and beautiful day also. And now it's time to go and rest and have sweet dreams. And tomorrow we're going to read another, just a nice story, okay? We'll see you tomorrow night.